This in vitro imaging assay makes it possible to quantify the effect of different cell treatments or different genotypes upon microglial phagocytosis, using two cell types that are relevant to neurodegenerative disease. We use dead neuroblastoma cells for the phagocytic cargo, which are prepared in a way that can be easily and cheaply scaled up for large high-content imaging screens.
In a Class 2 biological safety cabinet, dissociate SHSY5Ys by aspirating the media. Add 4 milliliters of cell dissociation buffer and remove the buffer immediately so that less than 1 milliliter remains as a thin film coating the cells. Incubate for 2 to 3 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius and 5% carbon dioxide. Then add 10 milliliters of HBSS to the T75 flask and pipette the SHSY5Ys into a 15 milliliter conical centrifuge tube. Centrifuge at 400 times G for 5 minutes. Aspirate the supernatant and resuspend the cells in 2 milliliters of phenol red-free Heapes buffered media, making sure to break up clumps before fixation. Fix the cells by adding 2 milliliters of 4% paraformaldehyde to the tube and incubating for 10 minutes at room temperature with occasional gentle agitation. Add 10 milliliters of HBSS to the tube. Then centrifuge at 1200 times G for 7 minutes. Aspirate the supernatant and resuspend the cell pellet in 2 milliliters of phenol red-free Heapes.